In this video, I'll show you how you can extract audio from a video in CapCut PC. So what we're going to do, we're going to add the video to CapCut. We're then going to extract only the audio and then export it just as an audio track. Now you may have many reasons on why you would want to do this, but I'm going to just show you with a tutorial video. So go import and then import the media or the video that you want to extract the audio from. I'm going to extract the audio from my tutorial video. So we know that this has audio because once we've dragged it onto the timeline, we can then go to this slider and we can zoom in, and you can see if you just move into the middle of the video, you can see the waveform, and this is going to be where the audio is. Now to extract the audio, you need to right click on the clip, then click extract audio, and that will extract the audio to a new audio track. Now from here, you can click on the video track and you can actually click delete. So now you've got your audio track only. Now if you go to export, you can now export it. So what I would do is I would uncheck video because you don't want the video. It will then default to an MP3 format, which you can change by the way. But nonetheless, once you've got MP3 audio selected, choose your folder you want to export it to, then click export, and then it will export as only an audio track, and that's exactly how you do it.